My mother says, don't jump on bathroom.
My mother says, don't fight with your brother.
Zam.
My
Mother
mother says, don't sleep at at 11 o'clock.
My mother says, don't play handphone all day. My mother says, wash my hand before eat. My mother says, don't sleep after 9 o'clock. My mother says, don't get up at 9 o'clock.
My mother says,
My mother says, drink your milk.
my mother says, then
My mother says, do your homework. My mother says, do you get up at 6 o'clock?
my mother says,
My mother says, brush your teeth. My mother says, don't turn off the lamp. My mother says, read the book. My mother says, tidy your bedroom every day.
Good. Next, my teacher says,
My teacher says, don't eat in the class.
my teacher says,
My teacher says, don't talk in the classroom.
my teacher says,
My teacher says, don't speak your friend.
Azra, my teacher says,
My teacher says, don't cheating in the exam.
good. My teacher says,
My teacher says, don't bring handphone into school. My mother says, my teacher says, don't talk in classroom.
no, my teacher says,
My teacher say, don't don't fight with your friend.
my teacher says,
My teacher says, do your homework. My teacher says, speak English in the classroom. My teacher says, do you read a book?
My teacher says, don't talk in classroom. My teacher says, don't sleep in the class. My teacher says, don't
very good, thank you.
Bye.